So this is an example problem on parallel plate capacitors and thickness, permittivity, and whatnot. So the question here is to find the area of simple parallel plate of 1 farad capacitor. So what's the actual formula relating all of these? Let's go to the handbook. You will find this, what page is this? I can't even see it. But anyway, it's searchable. The PDF file is searchable, so you can search for capacitor, and I found this one. A parallel plate capacitor of area alpha of area A with plate separated distance D by an insulator with permittivity epsilon, I think, right? So it has a capacitance of C equals epsilon A alpha over delta. All right, so this is what we have. C is equal to epsilon area over the distance. So looks like we have the distance. We have epsilon, which I will show you how to find that in the handbook. It's given. It's a constant value. And we have the capacitance, which is 1 farad. So C is equal to 1. A is what they ask us to find. D is the distance between the sheet of paper. So this is 1.0116 times 10 to the power minus 4 meters. So our answer will be in meters. So E epsilon is, let's go to the actual handbook. Let's search that. I believe they call that permittivity. Free air, right, there you go. So this is equal to 885 times 10 to the minus 12 free space or air. So we pretty much have everything. This is 885 times 10 to the power minus 12. And this is in meters as well, right? Yeah. I'm sorry, farads per meter. Farads per meter. Per meter. Okay. So taking out for the area. So we have capacitance times the distance over that, the constant free space or free air. So just plug it in. You got 1 times 1 . I guess in this problem, it's fairly straightforward as well, but the point here is to actually know the scope of the FE exam, knowing where to find the formulas, and knowing that the formula is actually in your book. So that's also part of it. And believe it or not, there are actually some problems that are very, very straightforward, like this one. But if you don't know where to find a formula, or if you don't even know that the formula exists, you can't even move forward with it. So you can't steal that problem. So the area turns out to be 1.148 times 10 to the power 7. And meter square area is meter square. So this is the final answer to this problem. So fairly straightforward, but understanding that I guess knowing where to look and knowing where to find the formula quickly, that's pretty much the point of this. All right.